My name is Stephon Jackson, and I'm a recent graduate from Centriq, and I'm an installer at E2 Optics. I got 15 years of manufacturing as a machine operator and maintenance. I decided to enroll through Centriq just based off of the program after looking into it and finding out that we can learn so much in a short period of time, and I felt like that was the way to go. I originally heard about Centriq through Google. I Googled it, and once I Googled it, I reached out to Russ, and it kind of took a couple months before I actually got into the program. Then I started seeing Centriq everywhere, radio, even little short clips on Instagram and stuff like that. So I was like, all right, this is time. The classes was hands-on. They took time and actually work with you and make sure you understood before they moved on to the next subject. It was real good. The instructors at Centriq are real genuine people. They not only teach you the textbooks, but they also teach you like the steps to getting your career started. Career services work hand in hand with you, teaching you far as interview prep and things like that, just getting you prepared. Centriq prepared me for cybersecurity by becoming a well-rounded person into the field, from teaching you service desk to network and security, obviously. As far as my first acceptance offer, it took 3 months into the program, and I accepted my first offer.